हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल ऑनलाइन लर्नर सारा। फ्रेंड्स, आम पीजी एंट्रांस प्रिपेयर होचे मु 10टा सेट प्रोवाइड कर सारी। जो मैंने पॉलिटिकल साइंस रखिंट से 10टा सेट प्रोवाइड कर सारी। आज हूँ सेट 11। चलते स्टार्ट करवा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, नेम द एंशिएंट फिलोसोफर हु रोट द रिपब्लिक। ऑप्शन ए एरिस्टोटल, बी प्लेटो, सी डियोफांटस। आंसर होची ऑप्शन बी प्लेटो। द रिपब्लिक राइटर होचंती प्लेटो। हु वाज द टीचर ऑफ प्लेटो। ऑप्शन ए सॉक्रेटिस, बी एरिस्टोटल, सी जेनोफोन, डी नन ऑफ दिस। तो आंसर होची ऑप्शन ए सॉक्रेटिस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, हु सेड दैट ऑल मेन आर ट्रीटेड इक्वल। ऑप्शन ए यूएस कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, बी फ्रेंच कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। आंसर होची ऑप्शन ए यूएस कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। क्वेश्चन 4, द टाइप ऑफ इक्वालिटी which believes that all should be treated as equal partners in society is called. Option A civil equality, B political equality, C social equality, D natural equality. Answer होची ऑप्शन C social equality. Question number 5, there are two pillars of democracy. Example, liberty and dash. Option A law, B fraternity, C equality, D none of the above. Answer होची liberty and fraternity, sorry equality. 5 नंबर C. आंसर होची equality, liberty and equality. Question number 6, type of liberty which a man enjoys as a member of civil society is called. Option A civil liberty, B political liberty, C natural liberty, D economic liberty. Answer होची option A civil liberty. Question number 7, the word justice has been derived from justitia which belong to language. Option A Latin, B English, C French. Answer होची option A Latin. Question number 8, who said that without the party system the state has no elasticity. Answer होबो कौन ना ऑप्शन ए फिनर, बी गार्नर, सी मैक्लवर. आंसर होची ऑप्शन सी मैक्लवर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, which one of the following merits of political parties has been wrongly listed. Option A political parties impart political education to people, B political parties eliminate nepotism and favoritism, C political parties are essential for the successful working of a cabinet system of a government. Answer होची B political parties eliminate nepotism and favoritism. एटा wrong. Question number 10, in USSR there is option A one party system, B two party system, C multi party system, D plural party system. Answer of option A one party system. Question number 11, Gandhians are continuing as a pressure group in India because. Option A the control parliament, B their philosophy is lauded by majority, C they had associations and worked in the past with Gandhiji. Answer is option C they had association and worked with the in the past with Gandhiji. Question number 12, local governments are found only in. Option A federal form of government, B unitary form of governments, C dictatorships, D in all form of governments. Answer होबो 12 रो D in all form of governments. Option D is the right answer. Question number 13, which one of the following functions is not performed by the local government bodies. Option A protection of life and property, B health and sanitation, C construction of roads, bridges, public baths etc, D maintenance of police force. Answer होबो D maintenance of police force. Question number 14, Separate communal electorate system aimed at securing the interest of option A, educated Indians, B, scheduled caste, C, religious minorities. Answer हो religious minorities. Option C. Question number 15. The citizens who are allowed to the participate in voting process are called option A, candidates, B, electorates, C, none of the above. Answer of B, electorates. Question number 16. Which of the following is enforceable in a court of law? Option A, directive principles, B, fundamental rights, C, fundamental duties, D, preamble. Answer of B, fundamental rights. Question number 17. Who decides the number of judges in a high court? Option A, state government, B, president, C, governor of the state, D, parliament. Answer of B, president. Question number 18. How many days time is given for the candidates to file their nominations from the date of notification of the election? Option A, 2 days, B, 4 days, C, 6 days, D, 80 days. Answer of D, 80 days. Question number 19. The provision for an election commission is provided in article option A, 320, B, 324, C, 329, D, 327. Answer of B, 324 article. Question number 20. Which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Sorry, it wrong. Question number 20. Question होउची who described Indian politics as a politics of scarcity? Option A, Myron Winner, B, Paul R. Brass, C, Atul Kohli, D, Maurice Jones. Answer होगा A, Myron Winner. डिस्क्राइब करथिले कि इंडियन पॉलिटिक्स एज ए पॉलिटिक्स ऑफ स्कार्सिटी. फ्रेंड्स जदि वीडियो पसंद आसे प्लीज लाइक करूँ, सांग शेयर करूँ, जो मैंने सब्सक्राइब करना दयाकोरी सब्सक्राइब करूँ, ता सहित नोटिफिकेशन आइकन उपर क्लिक करूँ जहाँद्वारा वीडियो अपलोड कले नोटिफिकेशन पहुँच आपण पाखे. जदि वीडियो पसंद आसला तो प्लीज कमेंट करी जणातु. धन्यवाद.